We also would like to hear words of inspiration from Honorable Luis N. Campos, Jr., Representative, 2nd District.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko hahabaan. Nasabi na po ni Mayora lahat ng dapat sabihin. Congratulations, hindi lang sa mga magsisipagtapos, kundi sa kanilang mga magulang. Kanilang mga, ang nag-aruga sa kanila, kaagapay ng lungsod ng Makati. And I would like to add, I found it especially worthwhile to focus what my message would be on what Mayora said. Think big. Spread your wings. Pero have the courage to do it. Mahirap mangarap lang eh. Alam mo, marami naman nangangarap. Alam niyo nangangarap ng gising. Kailangan pag nangarap tayo, you take a positive step forward to attaining your dreams and your goals. Oo, pwede kayo mag-apply sa City Hall. Oo, pwede kayo maglingkod sa bayan. Oo, we encourage that you return to the community that nurtured you and to the city that funded most of your education. But we want you to go beyond that. We want you to be successful. We want you to use that as a stepping stone only to attain your dreams. Because your success is our success. And you do, at this point, all of you make us proud because you are here right now. So sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat sa pakikiisa sa lungsod. Make us all proud, young Makatizens. Mabuhay po tayo. At lagi ko po sinasabi ngayon ng mas may diin, mabuhay po ang Makati.
Thank you, Honorable Campos, for also expressing gratitude and warm congratulations to the parents and for both the messages. Indeed, may we all remember to think big